Hi, my name is Irfan. I'm founder of Code to Enhance Learning. It's a non-profit that uses coding as a tool to build 21st century skills like critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, perseverance in students, those who are in the age group of 10 to 15 years. The National Education Policy of India of 2020 suggests that coding, problem solving, and other 21st century skills should be taught to students from grade 6. Also, in today's world, we can see that these are very imperative skill set because it's the world is driven by technology, and the students should not only consume technology but learn to identify problems and solve it with it. In rural areas it becomes very important because most of the population of India lies there. Their problems are very different from the urban context, so it's better it's understood and solved locally. The government is trying to do their bit, but then they are in a very nascent stage. There is lack of infrastructure, unskilled teacher, and the curriculum is not available. And the impact is that students are not building the skill set. What CEL does is that we use coding as a tool. The idea is not everyone becomes computer science engineers or coders, but then they use this as a tool to build the skills of identifying problems and learning to build technology to solve this. We do it and we solve the problem in two ways. In one way where we work with directly students. These are small group of students in government schools where we set up our labs. These are learning labs where we test our curriculum and showcase proof points. Moreover, the students become part of a larger peer community where they keep supporting each other and drive the initiatives further in their vicinity to bring more 21st century skills to the students. The other way is where we work with government systems to bring about a systemic change through the advocacy, teacher training, and different events. One of the core thing is how our pedagogy has been designed. We don't teach coding, but then the idea is to use design thinking, how to integrate coding with different subjects so that it helps in the holistic learning of the students. I come from a very low income background family where I have seen similar challenges where though I had good grades, but I did not have the skill set. And I was very fortunate that I got to learn it through mentors. When I worked as a Teach for India fellow, I was able to see this problem firsthand in the classroom while working with grade 3 and grade 4 students. With the Gratitude Network Fellowship, I want to become more effective leader who is emotionally resilient and communicates with dignity. And I believe the one-on-one coaching is going to help me a lot, which is a very important part of the fellowship. Thank you very much.